Hi, I'm Harvi Millar. You ever find yourself wondering just how can you get more out of your business? That is a productivity question. If you ever find yourself asking the question, how can you create greater value for your customers and your stakeholders? Then you are asking about improving operations. So this workshop is therefore for you. It will give you the opportunity to explore your own business operations using some tools that I would expose you to so that you could find ways to create greater value from your existing operations. But then if you're also not satisfied with the current level of productivity that you're getting out of your processes, then we will try to find ways in which we could maximize the output for a given level of inputs, or we could find ways in which we could lower the level of inputs for a given level of output. If we can do that, then we could do those simultaneously. There's nothing stopping us from actually improving processes while at the same time improving productivity. Those are not mutually exclusive. So join me at the Chamber of Commerce next week for this exciting workshop in how to improve your business operations and productivity. I'm Harvi Millar, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next week. See you there.